Hey, if you're thinking about diving into Lieu, there are a few important things you need to know before you hit that purchase button. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal some exclusive insights on how it stacks up against other software in its category and what you should expect. And yes, you can try Lieu completely free from the first link below. The first thing you'll want to consider is the pricing structure. While Lieu offers some really strong features, it's important to note that their pricing can be a bit tricky to navigate. It's not necessarily the cheapest option out there, but the value they bring can make it worthwhile. When comparing it to competitors like Monday.com or Asana, Lieu provides more streamlined workflows and automation, but you might have to pay a bit more for the premium features. So, if you're a smaller business, weigh the cost versus the return on efficiency and time saving. Next thing, the user interface. Lieu is intuitive, but it might take a little getting used to if you're coming from more basic software. Unlike ClickUp or Trello, which have a more straightforward design, Lieu takes a bit more customization to get it dialed in just the way you want. However, once you've spent a bit of time with it, the flexibility and depth become apparent, and it starts to feel much more personalized for your specific needs. If you're the kind of user who likes to tweak and optimize, you'll appreciate this aspect of the software. The third thing to be aware of is its automation capabilities. This is a strong suit of Lieu. Compared to tools like Rike or TeamGant, Lieu offers superior automation features. For example, you can create custom workflows that automatically trigger certain actions, saving you tons of time. But, and this is crucial, don't expect to set it and forget it. It may take a bit of initial setup to get everything running smoothly. Once you're over that hump, you'll see huge benefits in efficiency. The fourth thing you should know is how it handles integrations. This is a big deal for teams who rely on other tools. Whether you're using Slack, Google Drive, or Zoom, Lieu integrates well, but it does have some limitations when compared to other heavy hitters like Zapier integrations. So if you're running an ecosystem of diverse apps, you'll want to ensure it's compatible with all your tools before fully committing. Next up, let's talk about collaboration. If you need your team to collaborate seamlessly, Lieu provides solid options, but it's not as fully collaborative out of the box as something like Microsoft Teams or Slack. Where it excels, though, is in project management. The common threads, file sharing, and task tracking work really well for keeping things organized in one place. It may lack some of the social elements other tools have, but it more than makes up for it with its task management power. The sixth thing you should know is the mobile experience. Now, Lieu does have mobile apps, but here's the deal. They're not as robust as their desktop counterpart. If you plan to work on the go, you may run into some limitations compared to other mobile-friendly tools like Trello or Todoist. It's functional, but for the ultimate flexibility, it's worth considering how much you'll need to rely on the app versus the desktop experience. Finally, the customer support. This is often a make or break point with software, and Lieu generally provides solid support. Their help center is full of useful resources, and the team is responsive, though sometimes it can take a little longer than you'd expect for more technical questions. It's not perfect, but when compared to other platforms, it's still competitive, with email and chat options available. If you're looking for a solid project management tool with great automation, customization, and a focus on workflow, Lieu could be a great fit for you. It does require some learning up front, but the payoff is worth it. If you want to try out Lieu, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out.